Thank you po.
Wow! Yun ang pinaka-favorite line ninyo. Ikaw naman, Ken, yun din ba yung pinaka-hinuhugot mo dun sa kanta? Dun ka ba super nakaka-relate?
Madami po akong yes. Siguro yung part ko hindi po yung chorus, siguro yung
Sige,
mabagay
go.
na
Huwag mag-alala, pikit ng iyong mata, pahinga mo, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ng iyong mata, pahinga mo na, ako na bahala. Pahinga mo na, ako na.
para sa kanya po talaga yun. Habang nagre-record kami, may natanggap po akong tawa, may natanggap akong call from my ate na nawala na daw po yung lola.
Pahinga muna, ako na.
bago mapalatala ka na ako. Ikaw ay abonwan at bago at agad talaga niyo. At agad talaga. Yeah. Ikaw ka na ako, di masukurang bumamo ka na ako. Ibago mo pagpangamo ka na ako. Wala'y pangayusan o sa ngabay luwatagotan. Karoon ang bagong na nagkailat ako. Salamat ito po sa God. Thank you so much, 18. Thank you so much. Love you. Fire! Di na matatanggi. Yun nga yun!
Na habang buhay, magkakasama tayo at habang buhay, nandito ang Mahalima.
To our home 18, thank you is not enough, but as what we always say, that as long as you guys are there, we're always here for you guys, and we're very thankful and very lucky to have you guys in our lives. We promise that we'll keep on doing what we love to do, and we will keep on inspiring you guys.
To our 18, our forever. We're just very thankful that for everything that you do. It's just amazing that you surprise us every time. You do things that we did not expect. So thank you so much. Because of you, we always try our best. We were able to continue the things that we want to do because of you.
Well, words cannot express how much you really mean to us. We appreciate all the efforts, guys. I love you. I love you. I love everyone. So yeah, thank you all so much for always inspiring us, giving us hope, and being our relief in times of uncertainty. So it just makes everything possible. Even though this dream is so big, I know that together we will be able to achieve it, and we will be able to, conquer the world. Right?
I just want to keep it simple. I just want to thank 18 for cheering us up all the time, especially when we're on stage. Thank you so much for you are always proud of us. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing, and as what Pablo said, there's just no other words I could describe how much you mean to us. Thank you so much.
Keep on wishing. Love you guys so much.
Thank you guys. 18, you're the best.
Sana kahit anong mangyari, dumaan man tayo sa ups and downs, sana patuloy yung supportahan yung grupo namin.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga pagmamahal na pinapakita nila sa amin kahit feel namin hindi kami deserving, kasi feel ko na hindi kami enough. Lahat na natatanggap namin sa kanila ay sobrang nakaka-overwhelm, sobrang nakaka-heartwarming. Ayun, sobrang laki ng parang pasasalamat kasi tsaka utang na loob namin sa kanila.
Ako personally gusto ko din na habang inaabot namin yung pangarap namin, at the same time gusto ko talaga sila bigyan ng inspiration, abutin yung mga pangarap nila. Ayun, magtulungan lang po tayong lahat, kami ng 18s, magtulungan lang po kami.
Sobrang thankful kami na dumating kayo sa buhay namin. Para sa 18, maraming salamat.
Yun yung iniisip ko kung saan ako kukuha kung wala na.
Tapos inisip ko naman, pag binitawan ko, ano na yung next ko? So, pag nag-stop na kami, ibig sabihin we made it.
Di hahayang na mag-isa sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panataga mo pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo.
Dami natin pinagsamahan. Alam namin habang buhay, magpapatuloy tayo. Habang buhay, nandyan kayo para sa amin. At habang buhay, nandito rin kami para sa inyo.